Welcome to this video on merging. This video is the basic zip method for merging. One car goes in front, I go in the middle, and then a car goes in behind me. So let's walk through it, let's have a drive, let's see what's going on. So I had this opportunity a few months ago. I took a load of videos. The actual situation has been recorded on my old dash camera, front and rear. So as you can see, I'm approaching the 200-yard marker up here on the left. And it tells me that the right hand lane is the one that's going to be closing. Now 200 yards is quite close, but in this level of traffic and this speed, it's about where I would start planning who's going to go in front of me, who's going to go in behind me, and starting to make sure that I am going to keep the traffic flowing. I want to keep moving. I don't want to stop. The car behind doesn't want to stop. The cars on my right don't want to stop. We want to keep moving. So I'm constantly looking ahead and making sure I've got my space between me and the car in front. At the moment, I'm expecting the camper van to potentially move in front of me, although they are moving a little bit quicker. There is an Audi on my right hand side at the moment. They might also come in front, so I'm not too sure. So I've got the keep left or move left arrow up there on the right. So I'm now starting to see that that lane is fully finishing. I'm increasing my gap very slightly, but I'm not actually slowing down. A lot of the gap is being produced by the traffic speeding up in front because they've done their merging now. So that traffic is now starting to move. The camper van has come in front. The Audi has dropped in behind. The lorry has dropped back a little bit to allow the Audi driver in, which is absolutely perfect. Absolute textbook. Brilliant. Thank you very much to the lorry driver and the vehicle in front for giving us that opportunity. So in this next part of the video, I'm now in the outside lane, overtaking lane, lane 2. I'm going past the 200-yard marker. At this point, I'm actually keeping a little bit further back than I would normally. Literally the only reason why is I've got that big HGV in front of me. I don't want to be sat in their blind spot. I don't want to suddenly appear in front of them and expect them to allow me in. So I'm going to sit back. I'm going to sit next to the space that I would like. So I'm kind of like requesting, can you give me some space, please? As you can see in the back, the white car is a little bit of an overlap slightly. I am having to look over my left shoulder as I'm driving, looking out the back window of where the back seat is, to make sure that I am going to be clear. My lane is now ending. This is where the merge is happening. The white car has given me a little bit of space. A little bit tighter than comfortable, but it's okay. It's okay. I've got the space. I'm in. I didn't have to stop. We all kept moving, and the traffic keeps moving through. So no hindrances, no problems in that particular mix. Remember to keep looking in your door mirrors, keep looking around, and remember that you also need to be looking out for motorcyclists. This is very basic merging, but motorcyclists quite often will come down the middle because we are slow moving. They call it filtering, and they're allowed to do it as long as we're doing slow speeds. All right. Remember, drive and ride safe. I'll see you on the road and enjoy the journey.